Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan from the inception in 1936 was concentrating and focusing on charities across India into educational sector as well as hospitals and other areas. When we started in the Middle East, we are also focusing on charities in the Gulf regions, and we are now spreading to other locations in India. And in Sudan we have Egypt, Jordan and other areas. So the Bangladesh we have, and Pakistan we have. So we are organizing it in all other countries as well.
Educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. The charity drive is rightfully the correct time that we have chosen, because in the year of Zayed, the great visionary who always wanted to help all the people all over the world, and this is what we at Bhavans wanted to do. Hence, we started the planning and we were able to cover 10 countries and 60 centers and 7,200 beneficiaries. First we covered UAE. My children went all to the United Arab Emirates and they distributed food to the needy. And then we moved to Jordan, Egypt, Sudan, Somalia, Bhutan, Oman and Sri Lanka. And we were so happy that we were able to make difference in the lives of so many people. Donation is not just giving, it is making a lot of difference in the lives of the needy. I thank all my teachers who went out during their holidays to help the needy people, and by their action they have taught my children that there's so much of suffering in this world and they have to go out and help the needy. I think parents and children and teachers will help this world and make a change in the lives of the many who really require our help.
This mega charity event is the best example for teamwork, planning, execution and coordination. The coordination is done at different levels. Parents and children contributed generously and actively participated in this event. Our mothers took pain to come to the school and organize Food for Good to raise the fund for the event. Our students volunteers traveled across the different emirates and regions of UAE to organize the program in different parts of these emirates. Our teachers took pain to identify most deserving communities in their respective nations, traveled across these regions, contacted their local authorities, and transported the goods and items, grocery items for this event. Bhavan's Abu Dhabi Global Charity Drive is a culmination of the idea that every Bhavanite should do best of their contribution to their society. This journey started in the year of 2011-12, in which we had around 45 beneficiaries, which reached to the level of 1,200 beneficiaries in the last academic year, from where we reached to the level of 7,200 beneficiaries in this academic year. With a single mind, our teachers organized this event across different parts of our nation. South, West, East and Central India, almost all the part of India was covered in this program. Almost all the states we had covered to organize the charity event. The program was organized in all the major cities and various villages in India. And the experience of our volunteers were heart-touching. And thanks to all those who took pain to complete this event successfully.
Bhavans with a vision to charities, and we are contributing and we are helping the needy people across the globe. And our children, our teachers, they are all actively involved in it. And Bhavans Middle East with the school in Abu Dhabi, they are leading the team, and they are doing a wonderful job with everybody. All the best for the Bhavans team. God bless all.
The success of Bhavan's Global Charity Drive is really lies in the number of beneficiaries it had benefited. Nearly 1,200 beneficiaries only from UAE, and 2,000 beneficiaries from other countries in the Middle East, and 4,000 beneficiaries from other parts of the world, that makes 7,200 people that it reached successfully. You are witnessing a historical moment. First time a school in Gulf had undertaken such a noble cause. We are leaving a legacy, and we are committed to keep this legacy in the years to come.